For decades, astronomers have carefully tracked the motion of galaxies within our local cosmic neighborhood. Among the most closely observed is the looming collision between our own Milky Way galaxy and the nearby Andromeda Galaxy. While older models suggested this celestial encounter would not occur for another 4 to 5 billion years, recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope has painted a more nuanced picture. Subtle gravitational interactions and distortions within the outer halos of both galaxies indicate that the slow dance toward merger may already be underway, signaling that the prelude to a vast cosmic transformation has begun. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy estimated to be over 13.6 billion years old, formed shortly after the birth of the universe. It stretches more than 100,000 light-years across and contains somewhere between 100 to 400 billion stars, including our own Sun. Nestled within one of its spiral arms, the Orion Arm, our solar system quietly orbits the galactic center once every 225 to 250 million years. The core of the Milky Way is home to Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with a mass roughly 4 million times that of the Sun. This central region is obscured in visible light by thick clouds of gas and interstellar dust, but powerful infrared and radio telescopes have allowed astronomers to peer through the veil and study its dynamic nature. Our galaxy is not alone. The universe teems with billions of galaxies, each harboring stars, planets, and mysteries of their own. Among these, the Andromeda Galaxy stands out, not only for its size and beauty, but also for its close proximity to us. Located approximately 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda is the largest galaxy in the local group. It is a majestic spiral galaxy like our own, but significantly larger, stretching over 220,000 light-years across and containing over 1 trillion stars. It shines brightly in the night sky and is one of the few galaxies visible to the naked eye from Earth under dark skies. At the heart of Andromeda lies a behemoth, a supermassive black hole estimated to be more than 100 million times the mass of the Sun. This central region is highly energetic, emitting radiation from matter spiraling inward. Surrounding the core are billions of stars, countless star-forming regions, and remnants of past mergers, evidence that Andromeda, like the Milky Way, has grown over time by absorbing smaller galaxies. This process of galactic cannibalism is not uncommon. Galaxies frequently interact, merge, and reshape one another in the vast, slow-moving ballet of cosmic evolution. One of the most compelling discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope involves the dark matter halos that envelop both the Milky Way and Andromeda. Though invisible to direct observation, these halos are inferred through their gravitational influence on visible matter. They extend far beyond the luminous regions of the galaxies and contain the bulk of their mass. Webb's precise measurements suggest that the halos of the Milky Way and Andromeda are surprisingly similar in size and mass, even though Andromeda appears more massive in visible light. This means that the eventual collision may not be as one-sided as previously thought, it will be a meeting of equals in terms of gravitational heft. When galaxies collide, the outcome is not a cataclysmic crash in the way we imagine car accidents. Stars, despite their massive sizes, are separated by immense distances. This means that during the merger, most stars will pass by each other unharmed. However, the gravitational chaos that ensues will disrupt stellar orbits, scatter stars into new positions, and likely send some hurtling into intergalactic space. The enormous clouds of gas and dust in each galaxy will collide more directly, compressing and triggering waves of intense star formation. Over vast stretches of cosmic time, the spiral arms of both the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy will gradually lose their distinct forms. These sweeping arms, rich in stars, gas, and dust, will be stretched, warped, and finally dismantled by the immense tidal forces generated during the merger. As the galaxies intertwine and interact, their spiral patterns, so elegantly shaped over billions of years, will begin to unravel. Through successive passes, gravitational interactions will redistribute the stars and matter into a more stable, centralized configuration. What emerges from this grand celestial ballet will not resemble the original galaxies but a new entity altogether, a massive elliptical galaxy. Unlike spiral galaxies, which exhibit structured arms and rotating disks, elliptical galaxies are more rounded and featureless in shape, typically lacking significant rotation. They are often comprised of older, redder stars, and contain far less gas and dust, suggesting a decrease in new star formation. This is the likely destiny of the Milky Way Andromeda merger. Over time, the chaotic turbulence of the collision will settle into a smooth, spheroidal form, a glowing cosmic remnant of what were once two majestic spirals. At the heart of this process lies a truly awe-inspiring interaction. Each galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its core, Sagittarius A, nestled in the center of the Milky Way, and a significantly larger black hole anchoring Andromeda. As the galaxies draw together, these black holes will begin a slow but inevitable gravitational dance of their own. Their mutual attraction will pull them closer, eventually binding them in a binary system. Over millions of years, as they orbit one another, they will lose energy by emitting gravitational waves, subtle but powerful ripples in spacetime, predicted by Einstein and confirmed through modern observations. When the black holes finally merge, the result will be one of the most energetic and profound events in the observable universe. The final moments of the merger will release a burst of gravitational waves strong enough to ripple across the cosmos, though by the time they reach Earth, the signal may be faint. Still, such events help scientists understand black hole dynamics and the fabric of the universe itself. The final, merged black hole will be a cosmic titan, an ultramassive singularity anchoring the heart of the newly formed elliptical galaxy. Meanwhile, the fate of our solar system remains a subject of considerable scientific interest and speculation. The distances between individual stars are so vast that direct collisions between them during galactic mergers are statistically unlikely. However, the gravitational reshuffling caused by the merger could dramatically alter the trajectory of the Sun and its planetary family. Advanced simulations suggest several outcomes. In some scenarios, the solar system is flung to the outer regions of the new galaxy, far from the bustling core. In others, it migrates closer to the center, possibly orbiting near the newly merged black hole. Regardless of its final destination, Earth's night sky will be forever changed. As the stellar populations of both galaxies intermingle, constellations that have guided humans for millennia will fade and distort beyond recognition. New patterns will emerge, dominated by unfamiliar stars from Andromeda, and newly formed clusters born of the galactic collision. Brilliant starbursts may light up the heavens, and interstellar vistas